In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Instagram account back to a personal account. If you move to a business or creator profile and now want a simpler experience, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in just a minute or two with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. From the home screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. In that menu, choose Settings and Privacy to access your account controls. Next, find and tap Account. This section houses all the options related to how your profile behaves. Scroll down until you see Switch Account Type or a similarly named option like Account Type. Different app versions may label it slightly differently, but you're in the right place when you see choices to switch between business, creator, and personal. Tap Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will show a confirmation prompt explaining what changes when you switch. To proceed, tap Switch Back. That's the confirmation that finalizes the change. Once you've switched, your profile reverts to a standard personal account. That means features designed for professional use, such as insights, promotions, and contact buttons, will no longer be available. Your posts, followers, and messages stay intact, but you won't have access to analytics for your content while you're on a personal profile. If you had active promotions, those won't continue, and the call or email buttons on your profile will be removed. This change applies the same way whether you're coming from a business or a creator account. After switching, take a moment to review your profile. You can update your bio, adjust your profile picture, and if you prefer more privacy, consider reviewing your privacy settings since personal accounts can be set to private. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, double check that you switched the correct one by looking at the username at the top of your profile before you begin. And if you don't see the switch account type option right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, then try again. That's all it takes to return to a personal account. You can switch back to a professional account later if your needs change using the same menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.